The pasuk says in Yirmiyahu Navi in the 31st chapter, Ko amar Adonai, these are the words of Hashem, a prophecy. Kol berama nishma, nehi bechi tamurim. There's a loud voice that was heard in the bliss. Nehi bechi tamurim. There's a very, very deep cry of bitterness. Rachel mevaka al banea. Rachel Imenu cries for her kids. Ma'ana le'inachem. She refuses to accept condolences. Al banea ki enenu, because her kids are not here. Then the next pasuk says, Ko amar Adonai, mini kolech mi bechi. Hashem tells Rachel Imenu, stop crying. Ve'enayich midima, and wipe your tears. Ki yes zacha lefa'ulatech. You have a great reward for your great actions. Rav Chaim Shmulevitz famously said once, when he was invited after many years that Jews were not able to go to Kever Rachel, he went to the grave of Rachel Imenu, which today is her yortzeit, Yud Aleph Cheshvan, and he said, Rachel Imenu, Hashem tells you, Mini kolech mi bechi. Hashem is telling you to stop crying. But I'm asking you, continue crying on your kids. Am Yisrael are suffering. Keep crying. We need your tears. Chachamim teach us that Rachel Imenu sits be'em haderech, in the path, crying for Am Yisrael in the galut, especially in times of difficulty and affliction like now, and especially on her yortzeit. So whoever could take a moment throughout the day to pray, to read Tehillim, to pray in your own words to Borei Olam in the zchut of Rachel Imenu, to beg Borei Olam. We continue here in Miami or wherever we are in America, and some feel it more or less, but we have to understand what is going on in Eretz Israel. It's not cooling down. There's so many soldiers there. There's so many people brokenhearted, and we have to, that's it. We have to tell Borei Olam, die. That's enough. We had enough. We cried enough. We lost enough people. We have to wake up and ask for Rachamim. So